Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm playing here in Valley Golf. This is another meetup and team up episode. So very excited to make this content. I'll be playing with Fairway Tita, and this video is again powered by 3 Strokes. So for this episode, sa meetup and team up namin ni Fairway Tita, we will be trying to break 65 here in Valley North. So to make it more easy, I'll be joining her sa Red Tees. So yeah, let's see. Like, comment, and subscribe if you think we will be able to break 65 in Valley. So again, this is an open invitation. If you want to meet up and team up, we would be giving away a few items again from Mega Couve, either from Mega Couve, from 3 Strokes, or there will be a special announcement. There's another company who reached out and wanting to sponsor also our series. So again, thank you very much for all your support. Please subscribe to the channel so that I can continue to make these videos for you to entertain you guys. So again, nice shot, and see you at the fairways. Ayan, hello! Collaboration with attorney Fairway Tita. Powered by 3 Strokes. My gift for you.
Wow, thank you.
Ayan, our sponsor. Yo, nga sakto pala, Red. Hello, wait lang muna. Okay, Sammy, ang video natin ngayon, ng series natin, kasama natin si Fairway Tita. Gagawin natin break 65 2-man scramble. Pero since mahirap yung gagawin break 65, sa pula tayo papalo. Sasamahan natin siya sa pula. Okay. Ano number mo, Kuya Sammy?
27 po.
27. Halatang magaling. Yung first batch na mga sa Class A. Class A ka?
Chairman po ako ng kado rito.
Ayun, pagaling magbasa. Ang kailangan ko pala magaling maghanap ng bola. Ayan, mag-enjoy tayo, Kuya Sammy. Salamat, Kuya Sammy. See you. Okay, grabe pala. This is how we roll when you're playing with Fairway Tita, with FT. This is her team. So ganito karami yung team namin to try to break 65. Ayan, so mamaya kami mag-usap. To make it fun and more attainable, kasi I don't think it's going to be easy breaking 65, especially in the blue tees. So sasamahan ko sila Fairway Tita sa red tees. So we will be doing this meetup and team up here in Valley Golf, North Golf Course. We will be attempting the Break 65 series sa 2-man scramble kami. So I'll be playing the red tees. From the red tees, it's playing 313 yards. So it's dogleg right. The green is in that area. So ito yung magiging challenge. New distances for me dito sa red tees. So let's see. Shout out, Kuya. Anong pangalan mo, Kuya?
Gary.
Si Kuya Gary, ang starter natin.
Hello vlog. Hi vlog.
Yeah,
okay,
so we will break 65. We will attempt to break 65.
I don't know how
din.
to do it.
Yeah,
But we'll try. We'll have fun.
Yeah, of course. So gagawin na lang natin sa red. Sasama ko sa red tees. Kasi that break 65 here in Valley, it's 8 under. So,
8 under?
Good luck sa amin.
Ano gagawin mo?
Okay, good luck sa amin.
OMG.
Ayan, so just to show you the team of FT, si Attorney FT. Ang aking... shoutout na name mo, pare?
Adrian po.
Adrian.
And?
AJ po.
AJ. Adrian. Ang aming mga videographer.
Roll call.
Basta kahit ano mangyari, nice shot ang isisigaw, ha? Okay, thank you, Adrian. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the play is try to go over here, ako, mga 180 yards. So either hitting a 7 iron or an 8 iron.
Nice shot, sir. Galing.
Nice shot, gusto.
Break to, ma'am.
Okay, the team of Fairway Tita. Good luck, FT. Let's enjoy, FT.
Enjoy. And good luck to me.
Ayan.
Nice shot.
Good shot, FT. Okay, we are taking FT's tee shot. 100, we're left with 120 yards. Ayan.
Anong nangyari?
So, si Fairway Tita. Left with 120. Ano to, kanan ng konti? Ah, kaya. Kaya break. Patong. Stop. Bite. 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 Buti nakikinig yung bola sa FT ah.
Sinisigawan talaga eh.
Ay, nakapos. Ay,
Wow.
Good shot!
Nice shot, sir.
Good shot!
Nice shot.
Nininervyos ako. Dami nating fans. Okay, again. Grabe. We are taking FTs, attorney FTs, ano ulit? Tee shot for second shot. First chance for birdie for the round. 11 paces, left to right. Kung 11, -2. Ang bilis. Malakas. Malakas lang ng konti. Okay, para ball.
Good putt.
Kailangan natin 1 FT.
First hole.
Warm up. Alright, that was a good par. So hole number 2, playing 268 yards from the red tees. And so let's see how to play this. Ganda! Good shot! Good shot!
RG, kailangan yung approach shot.
Good shot!
Nice shot. Ganda.
Saan ka pa? She has her own plate number. It's FT. Setting up na si FT. Yeah. Good shot!
Oh! Dapat sumama ka sa...
Oo nga, 3-man scramble na tayo para may chance. Hindi, pag wala na tayong chance, saka tayo mag-recruit. Mag-recruit tayo pag ano. Okay, again, we are taking FT's tee shot. We're left with 104 yards to the flag. My tee shot was there, pero mas malapit ng konti si FT. So 56 na lang, Kuya Sammy.
Nice shot.
Cut, bite.
Wow. Nice shot.
Sana una. Okay, we are finally taking my shot. First attempt for birdie. Come on, attorney FT. Don't make me putt, please. I don't want pressure. Hey! Ito kaliwa?
Hindi lalagpas?
Yes po.
Laylay.
Never miss.
Okay, no doubt. Okay, one down. One down. Okay. Buti na, hindi ako pinagpat. Okay, alam na ng buong valley na naka-birdie. Nice spot, FT. Alright, we are now 1 under. So hole number 3, it's playing 138 yards to the flag. Okay. Alright, so hole number 3, 1 under na kami ng aking partner. Playing 110 yards, front pin. Hole in one mo na, FT. Okay lang. Oops! Suma naman ako. Uy! Okay lang. Safe.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Malakas ata. Tama lang.
Sakto lang.
Chance. We have this chance for another birdie to go 2 under. Come on, FT. Huwag mo na ulit ako ipapat. Ganda! Ay, malaki lang. Speed talaga. Nagkatalo lang sa speed. Sayang, a missed opportunity to go to under sana. Downhill kasi, so we needed to. It was really based on pace. So still, through 3 rounds, we are still 1 under. No, so the strategy here sa hole number 4, which is 290 yards. There's trouble kasi there's water in the middle. Yan. Yan, tubig yung middle na yan. So if FT is already safe, I will try to go for it, no? At least cross the tawirin na yung tubig. Wow! Beautiful! Nice shot, FT. Ayan, so si FT, she has a huge following. Good following. Huge following in YouTube, in Facebook, TikTok, and also IG. FT, sorry, excuse. Ayan, promote naman your channel, please.
Please follow Fairy Tita, IG, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.
Ayan,
Thank you.
I'll add all the links down below sa description. Again, thank you FT for hosting today.
Ikot tayo sa iba.
Yes.
Safe. Sumabit lang.
Sumabit lang. Nice shot.
Sabi ko pinahan kasi nga sabi ko, di ba? Okay, taking my tee shot. Left with 45 yards. Go lang, go. Go. Patong mo lang. Oh, ganda pala.
Nice one.
Mukha lang short. Nice shot, FT. Nice shot, nice shot. Okay. Ay! Yun siya sabi ko. Malambot. What's new? We're taking FT's second shot. We are left with 7 paces. Pero firm yung +1. Na-firm pa o regular na 7 lang? 7 lang. Okay. Left to right to go to under. Nacho ko eh. Go! Go! Mahina lang! Mahina lang! Uy, sayang. Mahina.
Tama.
Hindi bumali, ano?
Hindi
bumali. Akala ko malakas na yung pat ko.
Kayo, mabuti sa inyo
Sorry,
magpapa.
FT.
Ay, ano ka maganda ng mga pat natin dito. Ito litik mga one pat na tayo.
Ay, nako. Missed opportunity again. Sayang. We are now still 1 under. The goal dapat for the front 9, we need to be at least 4 under. 4 under dapat kami at least during this front 9. So ito, first par 5, 481 yards. So I need a good drive dito. So hole number 5, it's playing dog leg left. So my realization dito sa valley, it really calls for mga draw talaga. Hirap ako mag-draw ngayon, especially with the driver. Pero let's see, maybe a 3-wood. Yan, si FT doing her live Instagram. And just follow her in TikTok.
Vlog collaboration with Luigi. Say hi, Luigi, sa ating...
Hi!
Ayan.
Hello, everyone.
Ikaw din.
Ayan.
Hi, baby.
Ayan ang aking mga
So we're
flight
trying
mates.
to break 65. 8 birdies, Rumi. One pa lang.
Ganda! Beauty! Lakas pumalo! Nice shot, FT! Okay. Okay, we are taking Fairway Tita's tee shot. Kabig na kabig yung akin. 190 yards before the water. Cut pa.
Nice shot.
Okay, laying up lang. 190 yards dun. So, hitting a 7 iron para if ever full yung third shot.
Mo. Bababa yan. Okay, nice shot.
Ayan. Okay. We are left with landed right off the fairway. Left with 105 yards. Left to right to, no? No? Okay. 105 yards, hitting 56-degree wedge. So, una si Attorney FT.
Down! Down! Okay lang.
Yang hindi namin na-take advantage ang par 5. Ang layo pa ng birdie putt. Just off the green. Left to right. Go FT! Go! Bali. Mahalakas lang ng konti. Okay, makeable naman yun. We might be in for par. Kala ko bitin yun. Bilis. Okay. Kala ko. We need more 7 more. Good putt.
Good putt.
Ay, naku. Nasa red tees na. Hindi ko pa ma-take advantage. Namin ma-take advantage. Although it's super enjoy. So hole number 6. So dapat ito 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 holes. Kailangan tong 4 holes na to may isa kaming ma-birdie. Okay, let's see. Hole 6. Playing 114 yards from the red tees. Okay. 3 more. Kailangan 3 birdies last 4 holes. Shout out to mga kuya sa YouTube.
Shout out sa asawa ko, Sarah Joy Saor.
Yan. Eh, ikaw kuya, pangalan mo, hindi mo naman binanggit.
RJ Kitalig po pala.
Ayan, si RJ. Pakita mo number mo kuya para pwede nilang kunin ikaw sa pagnaglaro. Ayan, 137. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Kaya natin to kuya RJ. 7 birdie pa. RJ, di ba? Tama?
Mag-eagle po eh. Kasi
oh, ito shit to.
Tapos yung number 9, par 5 din po yun.
Oo, tama.
So kaya nyo pa rin ma-reach ng eagle yun.
Ang hirap kasi, hindi mapadraw yung bola. Puro draw eh. Okay, hole number 6, playing 115 yards. I am hitting a 50-degree wedge. Sana hole-in one na ni FT. Okay lang, basta patong mo lang. Safe mo lang. Okay, good shot.
Right. Sobra.
Are taking FT's tee shot again. What's new? Dikit mo lang. Dikit mo lang. Nice shot. Okay, makeable. Nice shot, FT. Okay. Nice shot, nice shot. Puti na lang. Sobrang kanan.
Hindi, may break yan yun. Eh no, may break yan buso.
Oh! Sayang!
Double break yan.
Grabe naman yun.
Mark ba? Mark natin? Pakimark, pakimark. Friendship over na, pakimark. Sayang FT.
Basta ito practice lang namin to.
Pag namintis ko pa yun, magpapalit ako ng sport.
Hindi kasi nakainis siya. Dapat dalawa na yun eh. Actually, dapat ang dami na natin birthday eh.
Tatlo na, at least 3.
Apat pa nga dapat eh.
Sayang, kalahati na lang na roll. Pero it's really my approach. Masama namang approach ko. Pero subok, at least, again, super having fun again. I would like to take this chance. FT, Fairway Tita, thank you very much for hosting us today sa Valley. So we're now playing hole number 7. Ito dapat ma-take advantage talaga. 335 yards from the red tees. 1 under lang. Ay nako. Okay, let's go, let's see. Okay. Basta actually kahit safe naman dito si FT before the water, I can still go for it sa second shot. Okay lang. Okay lang. Gettable pa rin yan sa second. Let's see. We'll try to go for it. The aim is try to go over those trees.
Okay lang yan, sir. Open yan.
Four!
Nandun na yan. Okay. Okay na yun, sir. Open na yun, sir.
We are taking my tee shot on this par 5. We're left with 70 yards for our second shot. Best chance to go up and down for eagle. Tirang 70.
Yeah.
Bite.
Nawadi ka.
Bite.
Oy, bumaba ka!
Okay lang. Pating eagle pa rin yan. Pating eagle.
Yan. Mo.
Okay, we have this eagle putt to go. Finally, 3 under. Anong binigay mo sa kaliwa, kuya? Madas lang. Hati-hati sa kaliwa. Come on, FT.
Let's go.
Yes! Sa eagle! Paano yung tunog natin doon, FT? Kasi kanina birdie tweet lang eh. Okay. Roar! Naging leon. Naging leon. Nice spot, FT. Okay, 3 under. 3 under. Hamin egg. Okay, 3 under. We just have to birdie one more dito sa front. Finally, what an eagle. Buti lang. So now we are on par to try break 65. So we are now currently 3 under. 2 more holes dito sa front 9. We need to birdie one more para at least 4 under sa front if ever. Tapos try to go 4 under din sa back. So let's see. Hole number 8 is a par 3. And not sure how the distance is. 112 daw. Pero that might be less. Ayan, mga caddies ng aming grupo. Tapos yan pa. That's how we roll with Fairway Tita. Come on. Okay, so for hole number 8, it's playing 95 yards. Slightly with the wind. So hitting a 60-degree wedge. Another chance for birdie. Come on, FT. 6 paces to go 4 under. Right to left. Ay, kulang. Oo. Against the grass. So pwede i-ferb yung 6 tapos babagsak na lang yun.
Dapat na sabi-sabi. Oh!
Good putt. Hindi ko na tinignan yung linya. Sabi ko sure na eh.
Hindi ako nag-iisip pag nagpapatawid.
Alright. Another chance to go for eagle dito. Hole number 9. We are still currently 3 under. Okay, lusot mo lang. Okay, maganda yung drive nito FT. Okay, since maganda na yung tee shot ni Fairway Tita, nandito siya somewhere sa may left. Subukan ko ng i-driver. Subukan hit it a little closer.
Nice shot.
Yung cart ni Fairway Tita. You see me rolling, they hating. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Okay, we are taking my drive. A little right of the fairway lang. So this is a chance for eagle ulit. We're left with 125 yards. Taking my tee shot. Ganda.
Perfect.
Perfect. Eagle muna. Albatross muna. Bite. Bite.
Bounce. Ay! Nice shot. Nice shot, sir.
May chance ulit kami for eagle. Okay, let's go. That's to go 5 under if ever. Okay, dikit. We are taking. Finally, may magagamit naman sa tira ko. Hindi puro yung kay FT. Okay, we have this eagle putt ulit. Hindi naman ang advantage na naka-red tee ako. Kahit di nakapalda. 4 paces for our eagle. Come on, FT. Ay! Hindi ganun kalaki?
Birdie.
Ano bigyan mo dyan?
Ah, pwede na? Pwede pala na.
Ito for hindi for eagle tayo, so sure birdie na.
Oo, pwede na.
Ayun!
5 na! Second eagle!
Okay, 5 under.
5 and
Oo, kaya kayo nyo naman yung advantage to.
one time.
Pasok din eagle talaga, legit eagle! Legit eagle! Oh, so minus 7 na tayo. So, alright, so hole number 10. Grabe. Akala ko wala nang pag-asa ang aming goal to break 65. So ngayon, we're currently 5 under because we made 2 eagles sa front 9. So ngayon, let's see if we can break 65, as if ever, try to go low as low as we can go. So hole number 10, this is another opportunity kasi this is a short par 5. It became shorter lalo na kasi I'm hitting the red tees. So it's playing 375 yards from the red tees. Tapos dog leg right. Ayan, so the pin is here. Ayan. Behind lang, okay lang. Fairway mo lang. Okay lang.
Ayun na!
Nice.
Yo! Go!
Nice shot!
Mang, si Ding!
Okay yun, boss.
Okay, taking my tee shot. We're left with 107 yards to the flag. Slightly with the wind. Pero baka dapat nga 56 na lang. Na-choke. Okay lang, FT. Okay lang.
Nice one. Go!
Go!
Sobra nga yata.
Right.
Sobra oh.
Sobra.
Yeah, boss.
Okay, 14 yards to chip. 14 yards left to right to go. 7 under to FT. Another chance for eagle. Naku,
Ay,
natuktok.
sus Mariosep. Ayan
Okay lang.
Yan, ang maganda. Go!
Mahina lang. Gaman, tama yung linya. Okay, putting for birdie. Ano bigay niya? Left to right? Isang bola pa sa kaliwayat? Nasa bagay yung damo, no? Okay. No doubt! No pressure! Ala, galing mag-putt. Nice putt, FT. Okay. 6 under. Tama ba? O, tama, 6 under. Okay, 6 under. Nice on FT. Nice on attorney. One whole team kami ngayon of all the caddies. We are currently 6 under. So we need one more birdie to be on par to break, to be 65, to be 7 under. Kasi par 72 ang Valley Golf. So let's see, hole number 11, it's a par 3. Alright, so for hole number 11, it's slightly down the wind, against the fan. It's playing 107 yards, hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Nice shot!
Nabola pa. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-control ng palo. Ayun, oh. Sobra-sobra. We have this putt to go 7 under. Ay, napush ng konti. Ay! Hindi bumali yung edge! Pwedeng right inside pala. Ay, left inside. Science. Ay, sayang yung birdie putt. Di nag-break. Okay, so still currently 6 under. So hole number 12. Playing 105 yards. Oh, Scoopy! Hala ka! Lay up! Safe. Yun! Buti lang!
Huwag ka magbangko. Baba.
Mario, sir.
Okay lang yan.
Yan, perfect yan. Ay, nag-boost lang.
Hindi, kulang pa kami landing.
Sa harap pa dapat nun.
Doon pa sa unahan pa.
Eh kaso kasi yung, ano yan eh, yung babagsak.
Mas malaki pa sa kanan. Yun lang.
Okay, nakalayo mo pa. 8 paces, left to right. We need to make this spot to avoid going back to 5 under. Ay, 5. Oh, tama, 5 under.
Hindi ganun kabagal. With the grass, ano kayo? Matakas din. Nice spot. Okay. Nice spot. May nagmimintis eh.
Grabe, that was my fault. I chunked my tee shot that cost our bogey. Hindi pwede yun. So, yan. So, we're back to 5 under. Very unfortunate bogey. So, hole number 13. This might be the hole na pwede kaming bumawi if ever. Sana. 390 yards, par 5 from the red tees. Dog leg left. Sana the trees won't be in play. Beauty. Okay, buti lang. Okay, gettable na. We were very lucky. Lumusot daw, sabi ng caddy. Dito. So we're left with 80 yards against the wind to the flag. Another chance, hopefully, to go for another eagle. Go.
Bounce.
Go.
Bounce.
Ay, okay lang. Birdie ball. Good shot.
Bird, yan.
Sobra pa. Madali pa yung
Okay, we need to chip in for another eagle to go back to 7 under. Okay, right to left.
Ganun mama.
Okay lang, birdie ball.
Okay lang, madali pa mag-defend.
Sure na yan?
Patting for birdie
Hindi ko naman kailangan mag-
from fairway, tita.
Diba?
Birdie!
Okay, back to 6 under. Okay, at least we are now back on track. We are back to 6 under. 257 yards uphill from the red tees. Parang dapat yata 3 wood lang. Okay, nandito na. Special appearance. The coach of Fairway Tita.
Ay, sus na. Behind.
Okay lang. Okay, we are left with 32 yards to the flag. Taking my tee shot.
Malaki ba yan? Bite.
Yan.
Bite. Gano'n kalaki sa aliwa? Yun. Ay, short! Ay, sorry. Sa fringe mo naman kumagat sa fringe.
Okay, another chance for birdie. This is to go 7 under. Layo lang. It's 8 paces. Slightly uphill. Lakas. Malakas lang.
Sa likod bumabali. Par.
We are still 6 under with 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 more holes to go. So comment if you think we can break 65 ni Fairway Tita. So 4 more holes, for that hole, for those holes, it's a par 3, par 5, par 4, par 4. Okay, so let's see. Hole number 15 is a par 3. From the red tees, it's playing 100 yards. Okay, sayang yung bogey namin na yun earlier.
Ay! Hulog na yung pitch. Naipasok mo naman.
Pasok mo na kaya, boss.
Yan. Yes! Go!
Okay.
Nice shot.
Okay. Buti lang clutch yung nagawa kong tira. Sinatubig si fairway, si FT, si attorney. So we have this birdie putt to be on par sa break 65 to go 7 under. Nice putt! Okay, 7 under na! Okay, okay, kahit ipar na, ay hindi pala, kailangan pala para makaisa pa. Kailangan pa makaisa. Okay, okay. Last 16, 17, 18. So last 3 holes, we are currently 7 under. So subok, gustong ng mga caddy at saka gusto rin ni FT is to go 10 under. So kailangan namin either i-birdie every hole, which is super challenging, especially with my game now, or 1 eagle, 1 birdie, then par. So let's see. This is a good opportunity, pero super hard hole to, si hole number 16. It's playing 389 yards, pero nasa front kami. Yan, the red tees. Let's see.
Ayan na, coach.
Ayan.
Hindi na ako magalit pag ano.
Hindi na ako magalit.
We're left with 120 yards to the flag with the wind. Hitting a 56-degree wedge kasi dito sa hole na to, it's better short than long. Ganda, FT! Go! Pa-bounce yan. Big bounce. Big bounce. Angat! Ay! Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. At least. May chance, may chance. May chance, FT.
Ano, masasabi mo ang post ko magaling.
Nice shot. Good shot yun, sir.
Okay. We have a very difficult eagle putt, but this is to go, ano na to? 9 under? Oo, kung ma-shoot namin, 9 under. Pero super bilis. It's 8 paces. Pero siguro 4 lang, 4 paces halfway. It will trickle down.
Nice one! Yes!
Birdie.
Yay! Okay, okay. Di pa tapos, di pa tapos. 8 under.
8 under?
First time ginamit lahat ng tira ko. Alright, what a birdie. Baka mahirap yung putt na yun. So, ulit, punggok tong... Okay, hole number 17, 292 yards. So, dog leg right. Well, this is my nemesis hole. So, hopefully, we can continue to... at worst, par na lang sana namin to ni FT. Last 2 holes so that we can break 65. But we're currently, if we par the last 2 holes, we're 64. So break na. So dapat wala lang sabog. Pero now, we're aiming for, try lang, break, di pala, to go for 10 under, which is 62. Which is the best record if ever here in the channel. So comment down below if you think we can make it, if we can break, we can go 10 under. Okay, if FT is safe, dito kami. I'll take the shortcut if safe na si FT. Ganda! Eh, safe nga. Beautiful.
Alam mo bakit? Minsan ko si coach.
Beautiful. Ang ganda. Nice shot, FT. Ayan. Ang mag-best friend.
Ginagawa kong panapong nito. Minsan ko lang si coach yung tinira ko. Gusto mo, diba coach? Lumilipad.
Sweet spot na sweet spot.
Ayan na. Wow! Nice shot! Perfect!
Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We are left with 28 yards to the flag. Ang tingin nyo dyan? Right to left? Mabilis? Regular lang. Go! Go!
Nice one. Ayan na. Sumawa ng sipa.
Okay, we have this birdie putt time. Hina nung chip ko. So we have 6 paces. Right to left? Napitik.
Uy! Wala pa.
Parang halos hindi bumali.
Oh my God!
Pwede isang bola? Hindi na naman tayo, lang na naman tayo kuya, ano? Yun na, 1 cup na naman yun, no? Hindi bumali, ano?
Hindi bumali kasi kasi.
Okay, last hole. We are still 8 under. Fairly, let's see if it's gettable. No, it's from the red tees, it's 292 from the markers, but let's see, babariling ko. Hole 18. Yan. So if ever, I think as of now, sa 8 under namin ni FT, we are tied with the best round sa channel. So if we birdie this or better, our round with FT would be our best round in the channel, which is 9 under if ever. So let's see, comment if you think we can do it, no? Kami ni FT ang mag-hold na record sa channel ng lowest round. Ganda, okay. I can go for it ulit. Ganda, gitna. Hinati mo yung fairway, F. Hinati mo, F. Middle of the fairway, tita ka na ngayon.
Nice shot!
Okay, 46 yards. We're taking my tee shot. Left to right. We're aiming for the front wheel.
Pulgoso. Pulgoso!
Perfect!
Hindi bumaba.
Mga 7 paces. Left to right. This is to go 9 under. FT, ito yung best round natin if ever. Best round of the channel kung ma-shoot namin. Ganda! Kuha! Kuha! Ay, humina! Sayang. Uy, bumaba pa.
Malakas yata, boss.
Ayaw, medyo pilit. Kinargahan ko ng konti.
Malakas.
Sakto. The winning combination, Luigi Golf. Yeah. Thank you very much, Fairway Tita. We broke 65. We played 64. Sayang yung bogey. Our celebration for breaking 65. Ayan. We broke 65 celebration. Ganda palang collaboration ng Luigi Golf and Fairway Tita. Nice shot.